Principal of Dogoto Teachers Training College, our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, before you is James Waswa, a cook in a dance high school and a gifted poet, ready to present a poem. Play your part wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Leaders to lead, readers to read, teachers to teach, preachers to preach, dancers to dance, dance, prance and rejoice, writers to write, write, winners to win, begin to win. Let's meet and eat meat. Play your part. Like Martin Luther King, have a dream. Dream, don't scream. Like William Shakespeare, compose your poetry, shoot your creative spear. Like Ngugi, Ogoda and Achebe, write your story. It will usher you to glory and greatness. When you fail and seem to be at the end of the tale, don't wait. Say, in the book of Isaiah chapter 60 verse 1 says, arise and shine. With kings and queens, dine and wine. Why crawl if you can walk? Why stammer if you can talk? Our parents don't suffer from TB, too busy. In parenting, it is not easy. Your child train his brain, apply the oil of good manners on his face, ensure that his guide is full of grace. I'm just commending. Don't do remote parenting. Walk and talk to your son. Be the umbrella in the scorching sun. For him pray, or he will be a prey. Play your part. Our noble teachers, to our young men, be pillars, but not caterpillars. Dig for our sons deep wells of wit and wisdom. Train the boy child to become a man who can build a kingdom. Permit me just to be like a clip of a class. Teaching goes beyond 4 words of that class. To that small giant, be a mentor, but not a tormentor. Play your part. Students, now don't be lazy. To be lazy is to be grassy. Your life, don't soil and foil, but toil and moil. Open up your eyes like ovaled eggs and see. See beyond the sea, even if the day is dark and difficult. I say try, don't cry. Play your